Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a Cuban chicken fricassee. Starting off with the marinade. In here I have 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, to which I'm going to add 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 4 cloves of finely minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 1/4 teaspoons of dried oregano. Now that those are whisked together, I'll go ahead and set those over to the side for a minute. Into a Ziploc bag, I'll be placing in 2 large bone-in, skin-on chicken breasts and roughly a pound of bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. The marinade gets poured over the chicken. Once you have that sealed, toss the marinade in and around the chicken pieces just so it all gets a good coating of it. And then I'll be placing it into this container and then into my refrigerator for about 2 hours. I removed the chicken from the marinade and I am reserving that marinade. I'll be using it later on in the dish. I've gone ahead and heated up 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to go ahead and add in my chicken pieces. I've allowed the chicken to brown up for 10 minutes on each side, and I've gone ahead and removed the other pieces from the pan. Let me go ahead and get that one out. Next thing to go in is going to be 1 red bell pepper that's been thinly sliced, and 1 yellow onion that I've thinly sliced. After 5 minutes, the bell peppers have started to soften up and the onions are starting to turn translucent. I'm going to push those over to the side and add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I'll allow the tomato paste to roast for about 2 minutes here in the center of the pan. After 2 minutes, I'll add in the reserved marinade, 1 cup of a dry white wine, and 1 cup of chicken stock. I've added the chicken back into the pan along with any accumulated juices, 1 cup of green pitted olives, 1 diced serrano chili that's had the seeds removed, and 1 pound of diced Yukon Gold potatoes. Now that this has come up to a boil, I'll drop my heat down to low, cover it, and allow it to simmer for 45 minutes or until the potatoes are tender and the chicken is cooked all the way through. I've gone ahead and plated up a serving of the Cuban chicken fricassee, and now all I have left to do is try it out. I must say it smells absolutely delightful. I really can't wait to get in here and try a bite of it. Man, the chicken is just falling apart. Wow, this is incredibly delicious. That chicken is just melt in your mouth tender. You barely need a knife to cut it. It kind of just falls apart. The potatoes have taken on some of the flavor of the marinade. I really do like them in here, and I definitely like the poppy brininess of the green olives. It kind of helps add a different note of flavor into this dish. Overall, absolutely incredible and something I want to make over and over again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.